Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by prepping the device, unlock it, connect to power if the battery is low, and keep your Apple ID handy. Now open Settings and tap Face ID and Passcode. You may be asked to enter your passcode. Once done, locate the Truedepth camera controls inside Face ID settings. Make sure to read labels, disable what you need. This first step is about reaching the correct menu confidently, so you avoid toggling unrelated privacy controls by mistake. You now disable the Truedepth functions. First, toggle off Face ID uses like iPhone Unlock and App Store. This stops biometric authentication and prevents the camera from being used for identity tasks. Next, review listed apps that request camera access and revoke permissions individually. Revoke camera access to block Truedepth for third-party apps. If present, turn off attention-aware features to remove automatic camera checks. These middle steps remove both system-level and app-level uses, ensuring the Truedepth camera stops engaging for authentication or attention sensing. Finish by restarting the device so all toggles fully apply. Once rebooted, test with Face ID prompts to confirm inactivity. If the Truedepth camera still responds, toggle Face ID settings on then off again and check for pending iOS updates. Software bugs sometimes prevent changes from sticking. As a last measure, enable guided access to restrict camera use temporarily, or contact Apple support if hardware or firmware appears at fault. This troubleshooting tip saves time. Reboot, toggle, update, then escalate only if necessary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.